Hey guys, this is your friend Ram Robert, the Mustache Marketer, and in this video I'm going to show you how exactly TrafficBolt AI works. So let's just walk through everything one by one. So first thing you see here on the left is dashboard. Below that there's the content option from where you can create the content. You can check out the stats of your published content over here, and the assets, whatever images and everything that you have created or uploaded, it will be here, and the brands. So, and plus the platforms where you can integrate different platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter. And then there are like other things. The important things are these. So first of all, like if you want to create a blog in any particular thing or whatever brand is, you can feed the information inside TrafficBolt inside the brand section, where you can feed all the inputs to the brand section, and it will remember that information while posting all your future content. So that's like teaching the AI once and then reaping all the benefits for long term. So when you go inside the brands, you see I've already created one brand that's called Mustache Marketer. So that's my personal brand, and just for demo purpose I'm creating a brand. Let's say we are into health and fitness, maybe a yoga instructor. Then we feed all the information that you want to feed. So firstly it is asking for the name of the brand. Let's say Yoga Today, that's my brand's name. And so I fed the information. Now that it is asking for me the detailed information and description, so I feed the information. Let's say I'm a yoga instructor. I want to run a blog through social media where I want to encourage people I want to encourage people to take yoga lessons and lead a healthy lifestyle. So that's like my input, and that's related to my brand. I can feed more information to be more precise. So it's totally up to you. So right now, let's say this is my input, and now it's going to, it has taken that information. Now it is asking me for more information, like if you have a logo, you upload that, or if you want the AI to generate a logo, you can ask the AI to generate the logo for you. So let's say I have a logo. I go here and I'll upload it from my downloads. This is my worksheet, and I'll upload this simple logo. Let's say this is my logo, and then it is asking for more information, like are primary colors and secondary colors already on your mind. So let's say you already have some colors in your mind that suits your brand, then you can like feed that information as well. So let's say yes, I have. Then you can select your primary color, and so let's say this is my primary color. And now my secondary color, I can pick like let's say any color that you want, guys. It's totally just for demo purpose, just for understanding. So let's say these are my two colors. I save these colors, and what type of brand do you have? It is asking for me that information. So let's say it's in design, development, and art. So you can select the category and then you save it, and now it is going to take all the information related to our brand, and it is going to like take that information for long run. It is going to teach the AI for about your brand, and then you just wait for a couple of seconds to minutes, and then it's going to take all the information. Okay, so let's say that was your brand Yoga Today. These are the colors you have selected, and then tagline. You can like edit all these things and see the brand description, the primary color, the secondary color, the logo that we uploaded. If you wanted the AI to create the logo, you can do that. And now it has also created some of the information, and you can edit everything. So it's totally up to you, like whatever information you want to add. And then you can like feed more information regarding your audience, your brand strategy, and your brand voice. As of now, it has created us an extract, a message, and you can see the tone of Yoga Today's brand is warm, welcoming, and encouraging, and so and so. So basically it has created everything that your brand requires in terms of your audience, in terms of the mission, vision, values, and everything that you require for your brand, including logo, colors, and tagline. So you can just feed that information, edit that information as per your requirements. If you're okay with that information, you simply save, and that's it. So your brand is created, and then let's go back here, and then you can start posting the content. As of now, I'll just go here and see our brand is visible here. I created my personal brand, that's Mustache Marketer over here. That's just for personal branding. I'll just, yeah, that's for personal branding. So now I'm going to show you how exactly you can post and schedule the content. So you go inside the content option, and you will see the dates for which the content you want to create. So it will always show the future dates. So right now it's 20th of December, and you see different dates are available. So let's say you want to create a content for today. So I selected the date, and now it is asking me to select the brand. So I'll just post a content on my brand, or you can like go ahead with whatever brand you created. As of now, I'm keeping the Mustached Marketer. That's my personal brand. Now let's say I want to post content related to email marketing in 2025. Okay, so that's my post. And if I want to add some inputs from my side, if I have some particular inputs to be more precise content generation, so let's say top 5 tips for email marketing in 2025. So let's say that's my keyword, and then I hit generate post. And I can also like type this content by voice typing, like I can speak and it will generate the content. And I can also upload any image that I've already created, and if I don't want to do that, I can leave that. I simply add the text, and then I hit the generate post, because AI is going to do maximum work for us. So I hit the generate post option, and now we just wait for a couple of seconds, and our first post related to email marketing 2025 is going to get ready in just a few seconds. And you see the post is generated, guys. So it has created a text post. This is text content, this is my brand name, and you see the AI has generated an image for it, and the AI generated image is here, guys. So I can always, if I didn't like the content, I can always upload the input and then hit the update, and it's going to change the content. And then I can pick some designs. So there are like a couple of design formats of this thing. I can select those. Totally up to me, like whichever design I want. I can even create my own designs. So that's up to me. Then I hit the text option, where I can like make changes to the text. Let's say I want to remove this line. Then I simply remove this line, and that's it. So like it's totally up to me, guys, how I want to create this content, and I will have full control over it. I can hit regenerate, and it's going to generate me a new post. Like I didn't like the content, I hit regenerate, and it's going to generate me a new post. See, the new post is generated. So it is showing like 5 tips, 1 to 3, and for more, visit the site or something like that. So it's totally up to me. You got the picture, right? So the content is generated, and now come to the image. So we have generated this image. If you don't like the image, if you already have an image, you upload that. You can pick the images that you have already generated from the library with the assets, and you can even generate your own AI image by going here, and you can even pick the images from the stocks. So you can just search whatever comes to your mind, and you can search that image, and then you can use that image as well. So guys, totally up to you, like how you want to use it. And inside the design, you can edit those images in different formats, and you can even create your own designs in the format. Okay, so text is created, regenerated, image is created, generated. You don't like it, you generate a new image. It's a generate, and it's going to generate us more images. And these are a couple of images that I have generated in the past, like different images using the AI. And you see how's the weather in Canada today, the e-commerce, the social media agency. I've generated all these images, how to become an analytics expert. See, everything is being created with AI, and you see the images generated are so intriguing. They're taking all the attention. So if you see the new image is generated, top 5 tips with email marketing. See, this is the new image. So if you don't like this image, you can just remove it, and our new image is picked up. So that suits really well with my personal branding. That's Mustache Marketer, and this guy has some mustache. And top 5 tips for email marketing, and so. And you see the images here. I want to generate more images, I can hit generate, and that's the way you keep generating your content without doing any hard work. So that's it. And similarly, you can even create the videos. So you have the option to upload the video, you have the option to generate the video from here, and you can do that by using the AI. So guys, everything is really smooth. The video generation might take 1 to 2 minutes. It's totally up to you how you want to go ahead with the content creation. The image and text are the most quick versions of the content generation. And finally, we can connect the pages, and we can publish the content. So we come back here, we go here, if you want to connect the pages, let's say you have a new page that you want to post this content to, you connect that page directly by going connect option here. And if an Instagram page, you can connect that here. You can have, if you have a Twitter page, you connect it from here, and you have a LinkedIn page, you connect it from here. So let's say this time I want to post the content on, let's say on my Facebook page. This is a Facebook page name that I've created already, and let's say I want to post the content on LinkedIn. This is my LinkedIn. Okay, so I selected the LinkedIn. So this time I just want to post on Facebook and LinkedIn, or I want to post on Twitter. So totally up to me, like how I want to do that. So you will have option to connect your LinkedIn accounts, your Twitter account, and all the platforms accounts here. So you just simply connect that, and then you go to that page, and it's going to simply reconnect it with it is going to connect with your respective social media account. So let's say I want to post it on Facebook and LinkedIn. So I do that. First I save my post, save my content, and then I hit the publish button. It is going to show me from where, like I've selected Facebook and LinkedIn. So you see both of the accounts are showing here. Yes, I want to go ahead and post on these pages, and then I hit start publish, or I can schedule it for later. It's totally up to me. So I want to schedule it for later. I can select that. I can select the date and time from here, like on 20th and so date and time. I want to publish that. You can do that, or you can, and then hit schedule. But as of now, I just want to publish for demo purpose. So I hit instant publish and start publishing. And now it is going to post the content on my Facebook and LinkedIn right away. And similarly, you can create hundreds of posts and schedule them for next 30 days or more by using TrafficBolt AI. So you see the green tick means the post is already posted on these respective platforms. So let's check it on LinkedIn first. So we are here on the LinkedIn. This is my LinkedIn account. This is a demo account I've created. So I go here and I see right now I have posted its content. So I go here, I check. Okay, I think I forgot to remove the image. So, but yes, see, this is the first image. It is already got posted here, and you see the content is already here. Okay, now I'll check, and it got just posted, right? Okay, so the post is the Facebook the post is done, and it got published directly from the dashboard. And now I come back to the TrafficBolt AI page, and I refresh this page, and then I'm going to see the latest post here, and you see my latest post got updated here. So I think before that I forgot to change the image when I selected the LinkedIn. So LinkedIn got the previous image, whereas the Facebook got the latest image that I changed. So you see my post got published on my Facebook page, and looks well, and posted like 1 minute ago. You can see the date and time, and looks pretty good, right? So you see the content is, yeah, pretty good. And it picked up, since I selected the LinkedIn account before, so it picked up the previous post, whereas this picked up the latest post. Looks pretty nice, right? Yeah. So I think this helps you understand how exactly TrafficBolt AI works. And then you can schedule, you can change your schedules, and you can see the different posts that I did with the scheduling option. And that's it. That's pretty much everything. And one more thing, you can connect your platforms directly by going into the platform option. So let's say you connect Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, that is called X now, and LinkedIn. All the pages that you can connect directly here, they'll show as connected. Since I connected the page, it is showing me as page. If you connect to your personal account, it will show as a user account. These are user accounts, see? So it will show, and you can like keep adding more accounts. And let's say you want to add more account, and then you go here, you follow the process, like you reconnect with the Facebook, and you can select your pages that you have. And that's how you can, if you have more pages, you can select those pages, and you can post the content on all the pages at once. So guys, totally up to you. As of now, I'll just go back, and you can authenticate, and you can just post on these pages. Similarly, you can follow the process for Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. And this is pretty much from the demo purpose side. Sorry, yeah. So we're back here, and guys, if you have any questions, you can just reach out to our support, and I will be happy to assist you. You can check the posting is done, and It's a really simple to use platform. There's no learning curve, and it's the best platform out there to help with the automation of all your social media needs. So thank you for watching this video. Take care.